Understanding the phrase, have a lot of brass. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting expression, have a lot of brass. If you've ever come across this phrase and wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this intriguing expression. To have a lot of brass is a phrase with roots in British English, often used to describe someone who is very bold or brash, sometimes to the point of being rude or showing an excess of confidence. The word brass here is slang for boldness or nerve. It's akin to saying someone has a lot of gall or audacity. This phrase can be both a critique and a backhanded compliment, depending on the context in which it's used. The phrase, have a lot of brass, comes from the fuller term, brass neck, which is a metaphorical expression used to describe someone with the nerve to do something shameless without feeling embarrassed. The imagery behind brass neck suggests a face that does not show usual signs of shame, like blushing, because brass does not change color or show discomfort. Understanding its origin helps in grasping the nuanced ways it can be used in conversation. When you want to use have a lot of brass in a sentence, it's often to highlight someone's audacious behavior. For example, he had a lot of brass to ask for a raise after being late every day this week. You must have a lot of brass to criticize her cooking in her own home. It can be used in both positive and negative contexts, but it's essential to be mindful of the tone and setting, as it might come across as offensive to some. This phrase, while not as common in global English, appears in British literature and media, often to portray characters with a bold or daring nature. Finding examples from books, movies, or TV shows can be a great way to see the phrase in action and understand its connotations better. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, have a lot of brass, and given you a new expression to add to your English vocabulary. Whether you're using it to describe someone's bold actions or to understand characters in a British novel, remember the importance of context and tone. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video lesson. Keep learning and stay curious.